Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to take you guys along with me while I get my downstairs cleaned up and start a little bit of laundry. I don't really have much to clean today, but I did want to take you guys along with me just so you guys can see what typical messes happen throughout my day. I figured once a week I can take you guys along for like a small clean, so you're not always having to watch a whole house crazy cleanup that happens every weekend at my house. So this is like a typical day to 2 day mess. I'm gonna get it picked up. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and let's go ahead and jump into it. I started off my cleaning by getting a load of Tennyson's laundry into the wash, and cleaning my laundry room wasn't really on my agenda of things to do today, but while I was in there, I just wanted to get it picked up and I wanted to wipe it down and give it a good vacuum just because I hadn't done it in a while, and when I was in there, like the dust and all the cat litter and the products all over the counter was a little overwhelming for me. So I just wanted to get rid of all that mess just to kind of get rid of my anxiety of a dirty space.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
Cleaning up my living room and picking up the toys and getting them organized is something that happens a couple times a day in my house. Sometimes I will leave it all unorganized all day, no shame there. I will just let the toys be. But a lot of times she'll just get disinterested in wanting to play with them. So if I put them all back on the shelf, organized and pretty, she'll want to go back and like play with it. So a lot of times I'll pick up the toys just so that she'll want to sit down on the floor and play with me. Because a lot of times she just gets bored and she wants to play with like the TV remotes, dog toys, the cat in general, like anything that's not hers or she's not technically supposed to play with, that's what she'll go for. So if I clean up her toys and keep them organized, she tends to play with them more often, and I can keep her distracted during the day with playtime rather than her just getting bored and running around the living room touching things she's not supposed to.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you.
I have said this many times in a lot of my videos. I'm terrible at folding linens, so don't judge me on how terrible these come out. I just wanted to get them off the chair and into the drawers and cabinets they're supposed to go in, just to make my house feel cleaner and look cleaner, and I know that they are where they're supposed to be and they're not just going to get dirty, collecting hair and dust being out of their designated area.
Baby.
So this video is a little deceiving. I didn't go straight from cleaning my living room to cleaning my kitchen. I actually took about a 2-hour break. My daughter went down for a nap, and then my husband came home and she was awake, so he took over playtime and baby time while I got to finish cleaning my kitchen and my dining room. So just so you other mommies know, you don't have to clean your whole house in one quick spout. It does take time, so don't let it overwhelm you. I don't always get my whole house cleaned or my whole bottom floor cleaned all in like a couple hours. It takes me all day sometimes. I just tackle what I can when my daughter is compliant, or if my husband is home and I can tackle something while he keeps the baby occupied.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger.
So to finish off my cleaning for the day, I wanted to go ahead and fold Tennyson's laundry as soon as it came out of the dryer, because lately I've been putting off folding her laundry and it just gets piled up and it becomes more of a hassle by the time I get 2 to 3 baskets rather than just tackling the small load that I did that day. So I'm going to try and keep up with it like this more often. There's no promises. You'll probably see me folding multiple baskets of her clothes because I just dread folding all the little tiny pieces of laundry. It takes me so much longer than folding our own clothes. But luckily, I only have to fold Tennyson's laundry most of the time because my husband takes care of a lot of our laundry. I want to say thank you guys for watching and sticking around to the very end of my video. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and I will catch you guys on the next one.